Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am in the car, as you can see. I am just running some errands. I got 3 of my kids out of the 4. Can you guys say hi?
Hi.
You didn't say hi?
Hi. Hi.
Y'all know he camera shy.
Hello.
But but anyways, we are running some errands, and you guys, so I got invited to a holiday party, and I'm super excited by the invite because of who the company is. And I'm not going to tell you guys yet. I know. I'm not going to tell you guys yet. And I don't even know if I'm going to vlog when I get there. I'm not sure if the company will want me to vlog. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I know for sure I'm going to take some pictures. And it's tonight in Hollywood. And that is literally 2.5 hours away from my house. So I was really on the fence about if I wanted to drive that far and go. And I've been fighting and struggling with that because, you guys, I hate driving. So I've decided that I'm going to go ahead and go, which is 2.5 hours away, to go to the party, which starts at 9 p.m. and it's over at 1:30. I probably will not stay the whole time because I'll be doing a turnaround and driving, coming back home. So another 2.5 hours. I was telling my kids, I was like, I might as well just drive to Vegas because it takes me about 5 hours to get there. And that's about the length that I'm going to be driving. So I'm very excited. I want to tell you guys, but I'm not. So I'll let you guys know what's going on with that. Just pray for me that I make a safe trip there and a safe trip back. I know I'm going to be exhausted when I get back. But like I said, I don't want to really miss this opportunity because I'm so flattered at being asked to even RSVP to go. So, yeah. But like I said, we're on our way to... You okay? Look at him he just want to make sure he in the camera. He holding his juice up. But anyways, like I said, right now we're about to go to Target real quick. I don't know. I think we're going in there to go look at a video game for my daughter. And then I'm going to grab a couple snacks and stuff for everybody to have while I'm gone. And that's it. So I don't know if I'm even going to record in Target or not, but just give me a minute and we'll see. Can you grab them? I haven't been to the dollar spot in a long time. I usually just walk right past it now because I think I've seen everything. And they haven't put anything new out. They're starting to put the New Year's stuff out, like the noisemakers. Cute little bags. Oh, those are cute.
So I figured I would find one for myself.
What you need those to give? One. You can get one. Lego gift cards. He thinks these are credit cards, you guys.
I'm getting this one.
I like these little stands. They always put stuff on. Look at this set for Eco Tools. A 12-piece bath bomb. Advent calendar. That's cute. By Melissa and Doug. $179. Wooden Play Store. Oh, I like that. It has the whole little...
What money?
It got money. Yep. With the money and everything. Only at Target. And it has a little beeping scanner thing, it says. Look at that. A hand crank conveyor belt. And a register. That is so cute. So I'm really looking for, because I've been meaning to go to Barnes and Nobles. I wanted to find him, oh, like this. You know, these kind of books where the kid can find stuff in the pages. He had one like that, but I don't know where it went or what happened to it. So I'm looking for a search and find book. And he keeps picking up Fortnite. Oh, they got some cute books. Look at this. By Bob Marley. Every little thing. That's so cute. Girl, what is that?
They got a bunch of them.
Ugh. Ew. funny ugly monster called a fuggler. Do not shake contents. This mischievous. Let me see. They got other ones?
Yeah,
Let's go look. Ew, them things are ugly. Why is this a thing? Why? Oh my goodness. Look at his teeth. Look at that. They got the socks, the Harry Potter theme. Hats. You guys, why is this a thing? Why is something so ugly a thing? They even got the house shoes. And I bet kids want this, don't they?
I want it.
You want one of them, girl?
No.
Ew, look at his teeth. You guys, they got some cute brushes. Look at this. This is a nice little gift set. Look at the handles. Travel brush set. Body glitters. Oh, Maybelline Countdown mascara kit. Buy one, 50% off. So you got that. Oh, look at this. 15 lip glosses. And you got nail polish. Oh, here's another set of brushes for $12. And if you get two, you get it cheaper. Another one for $6. Look at that. I like that. You want them?
No, that's for him.
You trying to put them on your brother?
Or we could do the tall ones right there.
You is so crazy. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, my eyes were drawn to this skirt. This is so pretty. Look at that. I love that. $22. And then they have these shirts too. That is so cute. Okay, you guys, that's it for my walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to head home and get ready for this party. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.